Hello and welcome back to Data Analysis with Power BI. In our last class, we were able to create a duplicate of the first page we created. So now this duplicated page or duplicate of page 1, we're going to be converting it to our sales report. The first one is our profit, but now we'll be talking about the sales report. Now we want to see the top 5 cities sales, the bottom 5 cities sales, the average ship mode, average sales by each ship mode, and the average sales per month and per year. Quickly, as we'll be moving into the top 5 cities, what you do is you select the visual. Now you go back to your field pane. Now you select it down and make sure that at every point that you create that has an entity of profit is replaced by sales. That is all you have to do here. So now for my y-axis, where I have average profit, I will drag in sales. Now cancel out the profit, then I would quickly try to sort this by the average. Now also don't forget we sorted it by the city, so you drag in your sales here. Now you would want to sort it by average. Now with this, we have already sorted our top 5 cities by sales. Now we move to the next one, which is the bottom 5 cities. First, we'll drag in our sales and cancel out the average sales, and we'll want to convert this to average. Secondly, you would also want to go to the city and drag in your sales and change it to average. Now we are seeing the bottom 5 cities by sales. Now we'll come to this the average of profit by ship mode, but we want to see it by sales. What we have to do is we drag in sales and cancel out average profit and sort this by the average. Now we are looking at the average sales by the ship mode. Finally, for this part, for the last card, which is the average profit, we want to drag in our sales. Now we want to sort it by the average, and you have successfully converted this report to the sales report. But there are some features I would want to bring into this new session, whereby there is an analytic feature. Possibly you want to draw an average line that shows or cut across your average sales by month or by year. You can come to the analytic part and then you say an average line. So you could add an average line to this. If you notice, there is an average line across your sales by month and by year. Same thing is applicable to your profit, but in cases that it is necessary, you could use it. Finally, you would want to rename or you would want to rename this by as sales, and you would want to rename this as profit, as the case may be. Profit. So now we have our profit report and our sales report. With this, we have done an intro to the analysis with Power BI desktop. The next part we'll be going into is how we can reproduce this report in a mobile view. So stay tuned and watch as we'll be turning these visuals into a mobile applicable view. Thank you very much and see you in another one.